Hey there, good Wednesday night to you. Richard Scott here with the forecast update about 10:45 in this Wednesday. Some of our latest computer model data coming in, and kind of want to let you know what's happening, the latest situation for Friday and into Friday night. First off, things out there pretty quiet on this Wednesday night. No issues at all, just some clouds passing by, but temperatures are turning colder, and that's starting to set the stage for some changes. And really cold air north of Alabama, in fact, go towards Grand Forks, 18 below zero. Some extremely cold air that is traveling southward. That's going to help team up with the developing low pressure in the Gulf and could bring some wintry weather across portions of the deep south on Friday. There's that system now. You see the snow over the plains, back over the Rockies. That system, that's what's going to spin up a Gulf low on Friday. And then that low's going to move up some of the southeast coast as we go into Friday and into the day on Saturday, bringing some snow to some areas of the Carolinas as well, parts of Georgia, possibly parts of Alabama. But that system's still a pretty good ways off. That will start to impact our local weather as early as Friday morning. The National Weather Service went ahead and triggered a winter storm watch. The counties in that blue shade, including Tuscaloosa back to the east of there along Interstate 59 and Interstate 20 into East Alabama. That includes cities of Tuscaloosa, Jasper, Indiana, Gadsden, Anniston, Talladega. Areas like Helena, Birmingham, Brent, Centerville, you're underneath that winter storm watch. And again, that's for Friday and into Friday night. So what's happening? I want to take you into our computer model data. This is the RPM model. This is one of several models we look at when forecasting these events. And if you look at this, all the precip is either north of Interstate 20 or south Interstate 20. And a trend I've noticed is the southern precip shield has been shifting northward with each run today. If that trend does continue, that will introduce, again, that wintry precipitation for the Interstate 20 corridor. Meanwhile, got some snow over North Alabama up in the Tennessee Valley. But this model moves out pretty quick by Friday evening and Friday night. Pretty much all the precip's out of here. If you take it off the RPM, then there will be no issues along Interstate 2059. That could easily change. These are very complicated forecasts dealing with an event like this. And the GFS, another computer model, this is snow accumulation for Friday and Friday night. It's got some snow over much of central Alabama, including East Alabama and northwest Alabama for Friday into Friday evening. If you take this model into account as being the correct solution, then you would say, yes, we're going to have winter weather across much of central Alabama. The European model, not so much. If you take this computer model as being correct, there would be no snow in Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Demopolis, anywhere around here. So all of our computer model data suggesting different scenarios. This is an incredibly complicated setup, as often is with these winter weather events here in the Deep South. It's never easy forecasting snow in the Deep South. And before you get excited about snow, I want to show you this as well. Our computer models, the GFS, is the only computer model at this point, as of 10:45 of this Wednesday night, that shows winter weather accumulating snow in Tuscaloosa. The NAM, RPM, European model has nothing in terms of snowfall accumulation. That could easily change. I want to warn you that this is not set in stone. There could be snowfall accumulation. So just want to show you that most of our computer model data agrees that there will not be winter weather versus some of our computer models that suggest there could be. Here's what we've been talking about with the winter storm watch area, the possibility of up to 1 or 2, 3 inches of snow in the areas in blue. Now that is a very low end possibility, but there's a chance there. That's where the National Weather Service also has that winter storm watch, and areas around that, maybe no snow at all, possibly up to a dusting, maybe up to an inch in spots. Just depends on where this precip shield sits up in terms of the winter weather, and maybe mix as far south as Marengo County, south of Demopolis there. So again, this could all change, and we're talking about the time frame from Friday morning into the pre-dawn hours Saturday morning. By then, by sunrise Saturday, this should be all east of Alabama. Here's your forecast for Thursday. Going to be a cool day. We'll top out in the low 50s. Areas north of I-20 could be in the 40s all day. You'll notice some clouds occasionally. I do expect some peaks of sun, though, for Thursday. Friday, there's a chance for some snow possible. And understand, some areas will get a wintry mix. Some areas could get all rain, especially over South Alabama, mainly a rain event south of U.S. Highway 80, south of Demopolis and Selma. But for portions of North and Central Alabama, there could be some snow if computer model data will come into better agreement with that. Right now, it's almost 50-50 whether we get any accumulations or not. Saturday, some early morning flurries in East Alabama. Then that's out of here. Sunday and Monday will be very cold days. Lows at night in the teens. Saturday night and Sunday night. Then we start a warming trend by the middle of next week. Temperatures will be back in those mid-60s. Again, keep checking back with us for updates. We've got updates on Facebook, Twitter, weather blog, and we will obviously have live updates on WVUA tomorrow at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. I'll see you back here for more updates on this chance for winter weather.